Welcome back to the Dirt Bike Lifestyle. Checking in on a little something new. I upgraded the GoPro finally, got something new cool here, so we're gonna try and run the new GoPro today, test out a bunch of new settings, all sorts of cool stuff. Everything from here on out is getting leveled up content wise. I'm so stoked to bring you guys with. I got all sorts of cool stuff coming, and I gotta test this thing out, really see what it's made out of. We're here at Meadow Valley. We just pulled in. It's Saturday. The temperature right now is 35-ish, give or take, so it's pretty chilly. We're gonna try a bunch of different video settings today, really see what works for moto, what doesn't work, try the GoPro up, down, all sorts of crazy stuff. I'm gonna label that in all the videos so you guys can see what works best and what doesn't. Without further ado, let's get right into motoing and get to riding.
On the entrance, but
We got them clips, boy. Yes, sir. JetBoyCo doggo hanger. Paired nicely with the JetBoyCo helmet hanger. Good to go. Earplugs out. Now that one was sick. That was so much fun. Track is so sick right now. Those ruts are perfect. Railing them, feeling the best I have all day, having a good time. Hanging out in the dirt bike lifestyle, living the life, living the dream. Keep on keeping on. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Peace.